Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brindise. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell notification so you can get notified when I post videos. Today I'm doing a really fun video. I am so excited because I'm starting a series here on my YouTube channel of me like rebuilding my wardrobe and like learning about fashion, learning how to like dress myself, learning what I like, what I don't like, shopping and all that. So I'm starting a really fun series and I'm really excited about it. So today I am just going to be going through my closet because I'm getting rid of so many things. I just really don't like a lot of my clothes and they don't make me feel confident and they don't make me feel good. So I'm going to change that and I'm going to get rid of everything that I don't like. And it's going to be a lot of clothes, but that's okay. It's just taking up space anyway. And I also have a little try on haul, like a mini try on haul. I bought a few things online, so I am going to show that after I'm done cleaning out my closet because I want to clean it out and then add the new stuff in, you know, you feel me? If you want to just watch the try on haul, you can skip to this time, but if you want to watch me clean out my closet, I'm gonna get started. So here we go. So to get started, I bought a few staple long sleeve t-shirts because I just needed some clothes to get by. I have bought some clothes like here and there throughout my weight loss, really not that many things that I still own because they were very temporary pieces of clothing, and now I just want to get rid of all of those temporary pieces of clothing that just don't make me feel good and replace it with things that do make me feel good. Things that I can just always wear, always grab, so it's not such a hassle and as stressful to get ready in the morning because it can be super stressful for me because I can't find anything to wear and I don't know what to do and I'm just like super stressed out. Here are my long sleeves. I have a nice long sleeve coat, you know, like those cozy long sleeves, so I have that and I want to keep those. I have like a staple like black long sleeve like this white one I'm wearing. I have like an ugly sweater. This sweater, okay, I bought this from Amazon not too long ago and it actually does not look very good at all. I really don't like it. I wore it once and it just like has a weird neckline and it's just kind of weird. Gonna get rid of that. I'm like all out of hangers, so I'm glad that I'm getting rid of clothes because now I have hangers to put my new clothes on. This, I never have worn this. I don't like it. I got it from Goodwill. I love Goodwill, but I tend to buy clothes that are like really cheap. Like this was probably like $3 or $4 and I'm like, oh, like that's a good thing to have like if I want to wear a turtleneck, but that turtleneck looks so bad on me. It like is not, it is just not flattering. It is not cute. I like the color of it, but it just like doesn't look good on me. Another thing, I bought this at like Marshall's. It was really cheap and I was like, oh, I can just throw it on, whatever, but I hate how it looks, so I am getting rid of it. Also, while I'm doing this series, I want everyone's opinion. I want everyone's help and opinion if you are willing to give it, like what staple pieces you think should be in everyone's closet to like be able to make any outfit, because that's kind of my goal, just to have a really well balanced wardrobe closet so I can have a lot of different outfits and like style, but I don't have to have like 3 closets of clothes, you know? I want everyone's help if you're willing to help me. This, I bought this at Goodwill once again. I bought it for the color. This is super cute. My friend Emily cropped it for me for my birthday, I think, but it's just too cropped on me. It goes like right to my boob. So unfortunately it doesn't fit how it should. So I'm gonna get rid of it because I can't wear it. Sweater, be gone. I don't like you. Very unflattering. I have these 3 sweaters right here. One I haven't even been able to wear yet, but I am gonna hold on to them because I do love sweaters and these are like fun sweaters. They're like striped and like one's like hot pink. So I'm just gonna hold on to that. I'm gonna get rid of this. I think it looks cute on, but it's like annoying because when you lift your arms, the shirt goes up with your arms. So then it would just like show everything. Just like won't work for me. So I gotta get rid of it. I love bodysuits. I think they're just so flattering. Great staple pieces. So I have a few bodysuits. I love the bodysuits from Naked Wardrobe. If you guys wanna check them out, I freaking love them. The Kardashians wear it. And I just think they're like super cute. Me and my friends kind of like name our clothes, or I name my clothes with my friends. I don't know. But I have a few names for clothes and I think it's funny. So this is colorful number 2. I had another colorful number. It was actually just all red, but for some reason we called it colorful number, or I called it colorful number, and it just stuck. That's what it was. And so this is colorful number 2 because it's actually colorful. It looks really cute on, so I'm gonna keep it. This is a really beautiful shirt. I bought it at Urban like 2 years ago, but I've never been able to wear it. It's like a pirate shirt kinda, but it's super open in the front. front. I don't have anything that I can wear underneath it to make it functioning, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I have a few like really basic t-shirts. Like I think I just have black, gray, and white in t-shirts. I think they're great for like under jackets, but this one, honestly, I'm gonna get rid of it, the black one, because it's really bad quality. It's like see-through and the cut is a little bit weird, so I kind of want to get a better black t-shirt. I don't know if that is stupid of me, but that one is from Forever 21 and it's like paper thin and just like really bad quality. I'm gonna get rid of this. I wore it for New Year's like 2 years ago and I've just never worn it ever again. I never really have a time or place to wear it. This one I'm actually gonna get rid of it. This is just like a little cropped t-shirt. I bought this before I lost any weight. It was like way too small. It was skin tight. I could hardly get it like over my shoulders. It doesn't look very cute. I don't really like it. I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, now moving on. Okay, so now to like my jackets. Well, let me finish off like my tank tops. I have a lot of tank tops. I need to be realistic on what I will actually be wearing because I feel like I can't really wear the tank tops with much unless I get other things to wear it with. Like this, for example. It's like a very, very cute shirt and it looks very cute. It's just really cropped. I just need something to wear on the bottom and I don't know what that would be, but I like the shirt a lot. So that's like my issue with a few of my clothes. I just can't wear them with any outfits. That's what I need to work on like while I'm shopping, is thinking of what I can wear it with and like how to style it while I'm buying it, not just buying it because it's a cute shirt. This is just not my kind of style anymore. It's very cute. I just don't think it looks very good on me. This is cute. Target. And it's sparkly. It's a sparkly bodysuit. It doesn't have adjustable straps and that's a big issue for me because I'm like in between sizes, so I kind of need the most like adjusting I can do. So I'm gonna get rid of it. This I'm gonna get rid of. This one I've never worn it. So this is another shirt me and my friends named. This is my Barney shirt only because it's the color of Barney. I love this shirt. I'm gonna hold on to it. I think it's a fun shirt. This one no longer fits me. It's too big. I have this issue because I'm in between like a medium and large. So like this shirt is like the stiff material. I have no idea what it's called. These straps are just like so short. Doesn't fit, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I was an alien for a night, so I have this shirt, but I don't think I'll be an alien anytime soon. And if that day comes, I will just figure it out because that shirt isn't doing me any good in my closet right now. I have some jackets. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of too many. I do have this jean jacket that no longer fits, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I already have a pink crew neck, so I don't think I necessarily need two of like the same. And oh, this one, the inside, the pill, whatever, it gets all over my pants. It's not worth it anyway. It's gonna F up my outfit. So I don't need this anymore. I already have another one. I just left it at a friend's house. I never wear this and I wish I wore it. It's just like a little Champion long sleeve, but it just like, I don't know, I just never wear it anymore. I have a puffy jacket that is too big, but I'm not going to get rid of it until I replace it. I don't want to just not have a jacket. I'd rather wear a jacket that's a little bit bigger than have no jacket. I have some cardigans. I don't think I want them anymore. I used to wear cardigans every single day. I had different colors and I would wear them every day with an outfit like in high school. Oh my gosh, this is the very first bodycon dress I ever bought, and I bought it for Tolo or something. It's from Boohoo. I actually really love Boohoo. I bought all of my dresses there throughout high school. I'm actually gonna get rid of this because it's too big, way too big on me. It's like exciting to get rid of things that are too big, but then it's also like, dang it, like I wish I had that in my size now. This is one of the other first bodycon dresses I wore like out, and I felt so good in it. It was my first time like really showing my body since I lost weight, and it was really scary and very hard to do it, but I'm really glad I did it and I pushed myself because that is hard. Show your body when you have hit it for so long. It's a very hard thing, and not a lot of people understand that. Oh, I have to get rid of some shoes. I'm gonna get rid of these. I bought these thinking they would look a little bit different. The quality just isn't that good, so I'm going to get rid of them and hopefully find a better pair in the future because I love the white boot. Look, I freaking love it. Also, old Vans. They're like really gross. These old boots. They're super uncomfortable. So now I'm left with two pairs of shoes. So I just have Adidas, these like white shoes, and then I have some black booties. These black booties are getting really uncomfortable now because they're getting really worn out. I'm gonna hold on to them until I replace them, which will be very soon because I think black booties are a great staple shoe to have in your wardrobe. Let me know down below if you have any shoe recommendations for like either like boots or like casual wear, walking around, dressing up, literally like heels, booties, anything, sandals. Like anything you suggest, leave them down below please, because I would love to look around and shop around, figure out what I want, because I don't know what I want. I'm so indecisive right now. I have no idea what I want. I need to go through my bottoms really fast. Forgot to do that. So I currently own 2 pairs of jeans. I have a black pair of jeans and a medium blue wash pair of jeans, and they're both skinny jeans, high-waisted. They're both from Madewell. I have found a lot of luck with Madewell. For sizing right now, I have no idea what size I was. To take a guess, I was probably like an 18 to 20, maybe even a 22. I really have no idea. I just wore leggings every day. Currently in Madewell jeans, I'm a 29. I think that's a size 8. Madewell jeans run big, so I think I'm like between like an 8 and 10. So that is my sizing right now, and I have 2 pairs of jeans. So I'm looking for some like mom jeans, ripped jeans. I don't know. I think I would like all of the jeans. Also, I want fun pants, you know, those like fun striped pants. So I'm definitely going to be trying on so many new things that I've never tried on when I go shopping again. I want to just like try on everything to see like what I like, see what fits me, what doesn't, what looks good on my body type, what doesn't, because I have no idea. So this skirt, I have that issue. It's like snug on my butt and like my thigh area, but it's super loose on my waist, so it just like rides up, and then my butt is exposed. So this is not a functioning skirt whatsoever. I want a jean skirt that is functioning, that I can wear out, feel like comfortable in, so I can like sit down and like eat or do whatever the day brings and not have to worry about like adjusting it every 5 seconds and worrying if my butt is showing. I'm gonna get rid of it and find something new. Oh, and then I have this pair of like jean shorts, and they don't fit me anymore. I made them. They're probably like around $10. This is another like temporary clothing item I bought. I'm getting rid of it to find some better fitting shorts that fit me right in all the places. Okay, so that is it for my clean out my closet. I'm gonna go through my dresser as well, but that's just gonna be like my like pajama shirts and like pajamas. So I'm not gonna film it. Okay, so now I'm all done cleaning out my closet, so I'm just going to start my try on haul now. So I got some workout clothes, and then I got some things from Princess Polly, and I've wanted to make an order from them for a really long time. All of their stuff is so cute. Unfortunately, a few of the things were just too short for me, but I'm going to return it and get some other things, and I'll show you guys when I get that in another video, what I get from them in the future. My workout clothes are from Balance, Athletica, and Till You Collapse, and I also am gonna show a couple little shirts I got from H&M like a week ago, because I think that counts as a haul. I don't know, I just got them. From H&M, I got this really cute little leopard crop top. It is really cute and it'll be great for the summertime. I really like it. I've really loved this like mesh look for shirts. So I got this little daisy shirt that is see-through. But then I also bought this bralette. I just wear a little bralette underneath it, and it like covers me pretty well with the mesh, and I think it's super cute, and I feel really girly but like hip at the same time. I don't know. And just moving on to Princess Polly, I got this really cute like lightweight little white crop long sleeve, and it's so cute. The material and quality is so good. I was super excited when I tried it on. I love it. This jacket, oh my gosh, I love it. I got this really cute cropped jean jacket. I am in love with it. It makes me feel so good. I'm just so excited to wear this, and the quality is so good. I'm in love. I'm freaking in love with this. And then I got another mesh see-through shirt. It's a bodysuit though, and it's long sleeve. Moving on to workout clothes. So starting with Till You Collapse, I ordered a few things from them. So starting off with these leggings, I got this like really pretty like aqua color, and they're really cute, but they aren't as high-waisted as the Effortless leggings are. I think these are the Resilient leggings. They're still really cute. I'll still wear them. From their new launch, I just got this little sports bra. It's so cute. It's baby blue, and the back is really cute. Super comfortable, super flattering. I really like it. And then I also got this sports bra from their new launch. It's just like a slate gray color, and the back is all cute and funky. I got this really fun pair of leggings. They're fire red, and these are the the Effortless Booty Scrunch. And I have like 3 other pairs of the booty scrunch. The scrunch isn't too much. It's like the perfect amount. From Balance Athletica, I just got 2 of their new sports bras from their new launch. It's a zip up sports bra. This is like a cream and it zips up in the front and it's really cute. Super comfortable. So I have this like creamy color and then I got this baby blue color, and yeah, these are super supportive, super comfortable. I think I might try to wear one as like a top. I've never just worn a sports bra before in the gym. Okay, so that is all for my video today. I'm about to go donate these clothes into a Goodwill bin. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to buying more clothes and showing you guys how that turns out for me, because I know lots of people struggle even if you haven't lost any weight. Like, clothes are just hard. Everyone's body is just so different and there's just so many styles. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!